You know, sometimes it feels like everyone else is crushing it while you're just trying to stay afloat. Have you ever stared at your account and wondered, how do I ever get ahead? How does this money even go out faster than it comes in? The thing is, we all have to make hard choices. Either we make money work for us or we work for money. Watch this till the end to know how. Today, I'm gonna let you in on how I started investing and how you can do it too. At some point in my life, I used to be terrified of the stock market. I thought investing was for when I had a certain amount of money. Meanwhile, I was dumping my money into the savings account, watching adulthood responsibilities and something else I couldn't quite explain slowly bleed it dry. And that's when it hit me. Traditional savings alone wasn't gonna cut it. You see, I needed to find a way to make my money work for me. This led me to face my fear of investing. And no, I didn't start with a fortune. I started small, with around $10. And that changed everything. Over the years, as I gain experience with investing, there's some things that you need to learn. You need to learn before you earn. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel. Resources like this channel help make it easy to avoid making the same beginner mistakes I did. I'll guide you step by step because this year is all about wealth creation. The step one is knowing your why. Picking an investment that fits your goals. This will be your biggest motivation when your mind starts to play tricks on you. Are you saving for retirement? Are you saving for a down payment? Or just financial freedom? Your goals will guide your strategy. You need to pick the right brokerage. This part might seem overwhelming, but it's much easier than you think. A brokerage is where you buy and hold your investments. Here are some of the options to consider. Is it for active traders? Can you do DIY investing? What are their fees like? Do they give you access to ETFs? Is their app user-friendly and easy to navigate? Now comment CA Brokerage if you want me to show you the best 3 brokerages for Canadians, and NG Brokerage if you want me to show the best 3 brokerages for Nigerians. Sometimes you need to start small, especially when you're trying to test the waters. Once you've opened your brokerage account, it's best to focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs as a beginner. These are baskets of investments that grow over time and help spread your risk. As you build your investment knowledge, you can choose to explore medium and high-risk investments. In my experience, starting out with these options often outperforms a lot of expert picks that you see on the internet. And most importantly, will prevent you from losing it all really fast. Next, you need to set a monthly budget for investing. Set up an automatic deposit, $50, $100, whatever works for you, and let it grow. It's been a few years since I started, and more importantly, I've started building habits that will change my future. Budgeting is always a sensitive topic, but one thing I did when I started was to think of something that I usually paid for every month. It could be gas or petrol, it could be transit tickets, it could be internet fees, and use that as a starting point for your deposit. Before you start investing, the first thing you're gonna face is fear. The fear of market fluctuations. See, markets go up and down, but long-term investors win by staying patient. You might not know this yet, but you will soon enough. Your money doesn't sit in the bank waiting for you. It's been invested until you want to withdraw it. So if the bank can invest with your money, that means you can do it too. If you want to take your financial life more seriously this year, I created a beginner investment checklist to guide you through with baby steps. Check out the link in the description. Remember, I did it and so can you. Just start small, stay consistent, and keep learning if you want to take control of your financial future. You can also join the community on Discord so you can stay connected with those investing the right way. And remember, the journey to financial independence is not just about the money alone. It's about the psychology of how you manage that money. So tap the subscribe button for more investment tips.